Okay, K, L, and Q appears to be over here on this side corner plane. Okay, so we're going to shade that one green. Okay. Stop, don't go out there, your dad's on school. Okay? No. I'll let the dog in a minute. Okay, the next one, I'm going to also do, so each of these I'm going to do two. The first two, you guys will do the second two, okay? So, it says, what plane contains the point RKP? And it says shade it blue, so I'm going to use this one. So, back here in this very back corner, we have R, K, and P. And some of these ones back here are hard to tell which ones are which. So you kind of just need to visualize. Well, I can tell that this other one's on this back corner, and I can tell this one's on this front corner. So overall, they're talking about this bottom plane. Okay? So you're going to shade this whole bottom. There's going to be that down there. The other one says purple. And it says, what plane contains the points M, R, and K? So here I got M, R, and K. And I thought I did this right, and I did not. So, X-nay that one, because it's not right. I checked through this freaking thing twice. And this is what I was talking about. So, I think that I was using this point and this point interchangeably, and it's kind of hard to tell if this K goes to this front corner or to this back one, and so as you can see I messed it up too. So you got RKP. I used it for this bottom one, and I was visually looking at it and using it for this top one too, so ignore that one because obviously I did not do it right. Oh shoot. Okay, so you guys are going to do the next two. Hopefully they're right. Let me relook at them. Okay. Gosh dang it. So the so I'm trying. So the next point, Bree's probably laughing at me right now, but screw you, Bree. Okay, what plane contains the point QUV? So, and it says to shade it red. So I got Q, U, and V. Okay, so if we were looking at this, it's going to be this whole front plane right here that needs to be shaded. Okay, and these are, it's the same type of problem, but obviously the shape looks a little bit different and it's flipped, so you really have to learn how to read the planes before you can do the other ones, and I think that's where some of you guys were struggling. Okay, the next one says, what plane contains the points Q, R, and S? So Q, R, and S. Okay, and if you're not a very visual person, you're going to have to like find something in the room. The other day I used a Kleenex box. It's really going to be the bottom of this plane. So it's this whole bottom area down here of this plane, okay? Okay, and the next one says, to shade it blue, what plane contains the points V, W, and S? So we got V, W, and S. Okay, well, we got 1, 2, 3, and if you kind of draw the line, you should be able to see that it's this side plane. Okay, so this side plane over here. The next one says, what plane contains the points Q, R, and S? So we got Q, R, and S. Okay, same thing. If we draw these lines, what box does it appear that I should be shading in? Well, you can see that it's going to be this bottom face of the plane. So you can shade that one in on the bottom. What? So, love you too. Okay, the next one says, and I skipped 2, okay? And the next one says, name the line of intersection of each pair of planes. Okay, and I did these the other day, but I'm going to try to do it a little bit different, okay? So, the first one we have Q, R, and S. So you need to find those points, and they're right here, Q, R, and S. So, we can tell that this bottom plane is going to be one plane, okay, and I'm going to change my color. And then we have W, or V, W, and S. And so that's going to be this side plane. Where is it both colors is going to be your line of intersection. So, over here we only have purple, purple, purple and blue, purple. Okay, and if we look at this one, we have blue, 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 and purple. So our blue and purple area is going to be our line of intersection. And it doesn't matter if you say SR or RS. So either one of those you can write down. Our line of intersection is going to be SR. Okay, and I'm going to erase all this, so we could do number 2, okay? Okay, if we look at the next one, it says QRS. So here we got Q, R, and S. Well, that looks like the same thing. It's going to be that bottom plane. Q, R, and S. And then we got X, W, V. Or X, W, and S. Okay, and this one's kind of harder to see, I think, for me. But you can see that it's going to be that back side of the plane. And I don't have my Kleenex box in here. Okay, but it's going to be this back side of this plane. So you got the bottom side and the back side. Okay, and we can see where they cross twice. So we got blue, 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 yellow. So our blue, yellow, where it's going to be colored both, is going to be our points. So it's really ST or TS, however you want to write it, is totally fine with me. So our line of intersection is going to be ST. Did I skip one?